So this is more coverage of that storm. It's not, they're doing a great job plowing. This is Manor Boulevard. It's already, it looked like it's already clear. Our road was, Danielle Court was like this. Kind of. And this is on Saturday morning. Cassie and I are going out to get some donuts. And we really just kind of cleared the car out of the driveway so they could, the plow could clear the driveway. But I wanted to go and I wanted to drive through the park area because this is one of the reasons we love this car, because this car has no problem. There's never been any snow that I've ever seen that this car can't get through, and this snow is not that deep to begin with. But it just plows through. We came through here before. It's pretty deep. Looks like it's about maybe 5 or 6 inches here. Part of the reason I want to take this video is because this is our CRV that we've had since Calvin was an infant. And I think we are at, what are we at? 195, almost 6,000 miles. And we're thinking about replacing this car. But this car has been so good to us. I'm gonna take a shot outside and a picture of Cassie. So we did get quite a bit of snow. This is Village Park. We are so gonna miss this car. Hey Cass, say something. Sing a song. It's say, what time is it? What time is it in the morning? It's like 7:30 or something.
Time for you to get a watch.
Time for me to get a watch. She surprised me this morning. Calvin didn't want to come get donuts. Cassie's going. Boy, it's cold out here. So this is it, the blizzard of 2013, February. I was telling Cassie this car's never had a problem with the snow. I'll drive through our neighborhood one more time so we can see how much snow we got. Then we'll take off. actually quite beautiful. Oh, the snow-covered cars. I know Wendy's mom and dad got something like 32 inches, I think they said on the...
What?
They got 32 inches. That's like 8 times this, which is a lot of weight. So this is our block, and this is probably about 4, maybe 5 inches, if I had to guess. It's not so much. This is the reason I wanted to get out of the driveway, was when these guys come through with that plow, they can get up in there. Thank you. Oh, he already did ours. Thanks. This guy's probably gonna get mad. I'm just circling around here. Oh, there's 2 of them here. I did not realize that. Go around you, buddy. Thank you. Wow, the sun's coming out. It's gonna melt this stuff real fast. We are off to Dunkin' Donuts, Cass. This is about exactly what they predicted. They predicted 3 to 6 inches for us, and I'd say they hit that on the head for us. And then up in New York City, they were supposed to get a foot. Connecticut was supposed to get 18 to 24 inches. I think they got a lot more than they were predicting up there. Or, yeah, they got 32 inches. They reported this morning on the Weather Channel up in Connecticut. I know farther west, it started snowing a lot earlier. A friend at work who, his wife said it was snowing pretty much all day while it was raining down in New York City and probably here. So, that was cool. This isn't bad at all now. Lawrenceville Pennington Road. Scrapes, but not. It's been plowed, but it's not clean. But that's okay. The sun will take care of this real quickly today.